Hi everyone, I'm Professor Gustin, and I'm going to be your instructor for online microbiology lecture and lab this semester. I'm the person that designed this course. I'm going to be helping you out, holding your hand, answering questions, encouraging you, whatever it takes to get you through this course. So I'm glad you're here, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of an introduction on getting started in this course. You made it to the start here. We're going to actually have a good amount of work to do this week, although probably not quite as much as most weeks. I just want you to remember when you're taking a live course in microbiology, you're actually going to spend 6 hours just in class between lecture and lab. So a lot of times people think, wow, there's a lot of material in an online course. But remember, if you take 6 hours just to do the course materials and then some extra time for studying or organizing or whatever it takes a substantial amount of time to do this course. So I'm going to walk you through the first day, this first week one will be a lot of introductions on how to get things going. So one of the first things I want to show you is you're going to see each week, you're going to have separate modules for every week. This is the only week you're going to be in more than one module. We have the start here, the syllabus in week one. Every other week, you're just going to have one module for all the materials. But you're doing this video, and you'll notice that I organized the materials in the order that I want you to do them. And if they're active links, that you can click on them, and it always tells you what it is. So this is the video that you're watching. The next one you want to go to is this McGraw-Hill Connect link, and that's where you're going to find. They're going to ask you to sign up for McGraw-Hill Connect, which are the textbook materials and the lab materials that you will be using for this course. There's one thing called McGraw-Hill Connect, and that has what we call the Smart Book, which is an ebook, and you'll be doing lecture assignments through there, so they're kind of like lecture quizzes, and you'll also be doing these virtual labs. So you need to agree to use McGraw-Hill Connect. Otherwise, you can't do this course. So you have to do that. So when you're done watching this video, I recommend clicking on this link, and that will get you to McGraw-Hill Connect. Here's the link to the Barnes & Noble bookstore that we use at Corning Community College, and you can go on there. I think you can get your Connect materials there too, but in order to link it to McGraw-Hill, I think you have to go through this. So this link right here will probably get you to everything that you need. Just a little bit, I'm thinking of other things you might want to know, just general things. One of them is I designed this course. I put all those, McGraw-Hill Connect creates the assignments, the electronic assignments you're going to do, but I put on the due dates, I organize them, I decide when you're going to do them, those kind of things. And I can make mistakes. There's a ton of clicking to get this course set up. A lot of due dates, a lot of start and end dates, and organizing, and even text things that I write or things I make in videos and different documents. And so what I'm asking is, if you find something's wrong, there's a problem, to let me know. And I'm going to show you in the syllabus the best way to let me know about things is by email. But I really count on, especially you folks that like getting started early in the week. And if you find something wrong with the course, like something doesn't open or a date is wrong or something like that, please let me know as soon as you can, because that can stop lots of your classmates from having problems and getting confused. So any help you can give me and any understanding you can give me for, small technical things that go wrong, I would really appreciate that. The other thing, speaking of technical things, the past couple days, I've been working on getting my summer courses set up, and I've written a ticket to IT, requesting help. I've had to stop and start my computer. I've had to Google things to figure out how to do them. And I just want you to kind of have patience with yourself, that when you do an online class, there's always going to be technical things that happen that slow you down. So don't let that be your frustration. Expect that to happen up front. The time that you would spend driving back and forth to school, you might spend, occasionally having a technical problem. So I'm going to give you some resources to deal with technical problems, but it's just the nature of working on the computer and dealing with your online course. If you don't have a lot of experience with working with a computer, it's a great time to learn. It's a great time to get a lot of practice. And remember that doing a web search, Googling things, is a great way to find things out. Like even Brightspace, there's, I don't know, thousands and thousands of students all over the country, probably all over the world, that use Brightspace. And so there's lots of, you can just you can just search a question, how do I do blah, blah, blah in Brightspace? And you'll probably find an answer pretty quickly. So advocate for yourself, go search for things that you need, but I'm also here to help out when I can. So let me know if you're having any trouble. So at this point, what I'd like you to do is, once you can go into this McGraw-Hill Connect and get your materials, and then you can go to the syllabus on this link up here. Okay, I'll see you in a minute.